everybody, let me show you. This is Whopper. It's a Burger King from Burger King. It's a Whopper, the regular one. Look, what did you have here? It's a hamburger. I have a hamburger here. Let me take this one. I don't use my hand. And they have a hamburger on the top side. Have a lettuce and tomato. And then the next one, that's me. And that's and the bottom one is a hamburger. The patty. One hamburger. Let's see. Let me. Yeah. Oh, they have an onion too. The hamburger and sauce, some kind of sauce, I think. This is Whopper from Burger King. Back then, usually they have the side stuff 99 cents. Whopper 99 cents, but nowadays, no more 99 cents. Ooh. Okay, that's I show you the Whopper. Next, I show you the Chicken Junior. That's from Burger King too. And yep, here's the Chicken Junior. What do they have? It's kind of sandwich. And let's see, they have some lettuce and some sauce. And then inside, that's a chicken patty. This is, yeah, it's kind of little dry, right? It looks like a little dry. Yep. On top, that's the sandwich. Chicken Junior. That's two things from the Burger King. If you like to watch menu, continue watching. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.
Here you go.
Thank you so much. Thank you. This is sandwich. And then you got this one.
Let me see. I recorded. You can choose later.